If you find it difficult to receive your Medium payout due to Stripe account issue, then this video is for you. Watch to the end because I'll be showing you how to fix your Stripe account issue and also how to avoid excessive tax deduction from your Medium payout. Medium is actually paying. Let's take a look at this article I posted on June 18, 2025, how I built a passive income YouTube channel using just 2 AI. You can see that this article gave me $1.52 and it has 153 views and 84 read. You can see the read ratio of 55%, and in this August alone, despite the article has been there for long, it gave me $0.73. So you can see that this article continued to earn so long as people keep reading it. This is an evidence that Medium is paying. Medium minimum payout threshold is $10. And how do you receive your payment? This is where Stripe account come into the picture. You need a Stripe account for you to receive your payment. Some of you, Stripe payment method is not available in your country, but that doesn't mean you are not still going to cash out your money. Watch to the end because in this video I will show you how to fix that particular issue of Stripe account not available in your country, of replacing your account number or changing your payment method. Without wasting time, let's get down to business.
So for you to fix issue of Stripe account, what you need to do is to click your profile, and when you click your profile, you are going to click on the partners program. You click on this partner program, and then what you need to do next is to click on this payout setting. Now when you click on this payout setting, you see the first one, payout setting. You are eligible to receive payment from Medium, and then you now click on Stripe account. You click on go to Stripe account, and then it will direct you to Stripe account homepage. Here they send me a verification, a code to my phone, and then I will need to enter the verification code to be able to access my Stripe account. Now this is how the Stripe account look like. I have to blur some parts for security reasons. Now you can check your balance here, and you can check your task here. So what we'll be doing here will be, first of all, let's check our profile. You click on your profile. On your profile here, you can see your email, your contact detail, and then your preferred language, your display name, and you can invite other people to help you manage your Stripe account. And then by location is Nigeria, you can see, and then you can change your location if you want to, and there you can now add your dollar account. If you are in US or you are in country that uses dollar, you can change your location and then add your dollar account. But to avoid unnecessary drama and address verification, you have to maintain your country current location. Then here has your personal details. You can see this, you have your email, your date of birth, and your address. Here has your payout details. This is the crucial part that we are going to look into. And then here have your payout statement descriptor. So for this payout, you are going to click edit, And then when you click edit, here you said add an account for payout. Any that you will receive will be sent to this account. You're going to put the account holder name, and then you are going to put the SWIFT code or the BIC code. You can Google your bank for the SWIFT code, and then this is my account number, and my SWIFT code here is Wemangla SSS. So you can see that that's the SWIFT code from my bank, Wema Bank. Now you can go to Google and then search for this SWIFT or BIC code, and you see that this is what SWIFT code is all about. A SWIFT code or BIC code, also known as Bank Identifier Code, is a unique identifier for bank and financial institution used in international money transfer. So you need this SWIFT code before, so that your payments will not get missed. So from here, you've seen how to edit your account details. Is just as simple as that. Now let's go back to the other important part I wanted to show you guys, which is the avoiding excessive tax deduction. Now when you look at this side, we have Stripe account. Now the second side is the taxpayer information. Now you are going to click on review and then enter your tax payment details, and when you complete your tax payment details and you submit, you are going to avoid unnecessary tax deduction. I have to blur this page because it contains some security information. So you are going to fill in your address, and when you're done, you click on this tax review form and you submit it, and you are going to be given a tax identification number. Like this is my tax identification number, and you see your taxpayer information has been successfully submitted and verified. Medium tax ID number. Now, so whenever you are receiving your payment, you won't be taxed exorbitantly, because some of you don't fill this tax information, and at the end of the day, you make, let's say, your $10, you may receive $7 in your account due to the fact that you did not fill this taxpayer information. So to avoid excessive tax deduction, always fill this taxpayer information. And for those of you that already have a Stripe account, you can link them up from that page.
In my next video, I'm going to show you how to boost your followers and engagement and make significant amount of revenue. So if you are new to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button, and for my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Welcome to OCHE'S Tech. Have a lovely day.